Welcome back to Cite, a website with no author in Microsoft Word using its built-in citation generator. So you need to follow these steps, and first you need to click on the reference tab on the top ribbon. And then in the citation and bibliography group, you need to click on this style and select the APA. And under the reference, you need to click on the insert citation and click on the add new source. So in the type source drop down menu, you need to select the website. And here you can select the language as per your choice. So leave the standard author field completely blank. And now in the name of the web page, you need to enter the specific title of the article. For example, how to maintain good healthy sleep routine. So in the name of the website box, you need to enter the overall website name. For example, health and wellness. So fill in the year, for example 2026, month is the June and day is the 15. And here you need to type the URL, for example http colon double backslash www.healthandwellness.com. Moreover, if you don't know the year, month and date, you can simply remove these specific details with no date, and you can also put the ND as well. And now click OK. So here you can see that Word will automatically format the in-text citation using the title and the year, for I have given ND as well. And now you need to move to the end of your document and place the cursor, and then click on the reference tab and click on the bibliography and select the work cited or reference. Click on that. So here you can see that Word will generate the correctly formatted reference entry automatically. If you want to put the work cited, you can click over here, click on this arrow and click on the work cited, and this has been replaced to the work cited. If you want to go back, you can just click on that and click on the reference. So if you want to put the date later on, then how you can do that? Click on the reference and click on the manage source, and here you need to click on this how to maintain good and healthy sleep routine. Click on the edit, and here you can put the year, month, and day 20. Just click OK, click yes, close it, and now click on this and again click on the reference, and here the date has been updated. So this is simple. You can easily cite a website in APA format with no author. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.